San Remigio, a place known for calm seas, long beaches, and sunsets that paint the sky with hope. Just recently, this quiet town felt the shaking of a 6.9 magnitude earthquake, an event that tested the strength of every heart here. Some lost their homes, some lost more than that. But even in the middle of pain, San Remigio rose. And today, as the sun sets again over this resilient shoreline, we honor the strength of its people, their courage, and their unwavering spirit. San Remigio may have been shaken, but it was never broken. To everyone rebuilding, to every family healing, and to every heart choosing courage, this sunset is for you. Follow me as we continue discovering stories of strength, beauty, and the places that inspire us to rise again. Thank you for watching.